Liz Woods from the 90 Day Fiancé franchise got a lucrative offer from her boss on the show, but fans think the whole situation is made up only for drama. The 29-year-old woman and her beau Big Ed are currently featured on the hit TLC show, where they are going through relationship issues. In the latest episode, the couple disagreed about their future because of their insecurities. 90 Day Fiancé viewers may know that Liz works at a restaurant, which is how she met her fiancé, Ed. However, the show has rarely ever delved into the couple's professional lives and has mostly been about their personal issues. That changed recently when fans learned that Liz suddenly got an offer to become a partner at her restaurant, Encontro, which would make her the owner. During the episode, Ed showed major concern about his future with Liz, as he felt she wouldn't prioritize him if she took the job. Liz also shocked her beau by secretly accepting the offer without discussing it with him first. This communication gap led the couple to fight on the show before eventually rethinking their relationship. Liz Woods, her boss, acted unnaturally. Unfortunately, 90 Day Fiancé viewers are less interested in the new drama, as they feel that the whole plot of Liz becoming the restaurant owner is a way to keep fans hooked. According to a Reddit thread started by Naz6700, the entire situation is fake, as it felt like Liz's boss, Jason Hotchkiss, got money to say some BS in front of cameras. Viewers also believe that there was something odd about Liz's behavior on the show. Definitely didn't feel like a natural exchange between them, a Redditor wrote while pointing out that the offer seems like a plot device for the show. Liz Woods' offer doesn't make sense. Another big reason this new storyline sounds fake is due to Liz's job history. Most viewers can't wrap their heads around how the 29-year-old mother got the ownership offer, when she previously left her full-time job to salvage her relationship with Ed. People feel that there is nothing partnership-worthy about Liz's job at the restaurant, so it doesn't make sense for her boss to give her such an opportunity with open hands. He is giving a partnership to someone that left her job, career for an insecure man? Seems far from legit, a Redditor wrote. Another Redditor added how Liz was only working part-time. Big Ed Brown's concerns are pointless. Ed's fears about Liz prioritizing him less by accepting the offer seem far-fetched. The 57-year-old reality star is a San Diego resident and lives near the restaurant. It doesn't make sense for him to complain about Liz's job when she's a few minutes away from him. Fans have also spotted Ed at Liz's workplace, which shows that he's exaggerating the situation to create tension and drama. I went to the restaurant. Ed was a guest bartender. Maybe it brings in a crowd, a Redditor revealed while pointing out how easy it was for the 90 Day Fiancé franchise star to be there. Source: Naz6700, Reddit.
When I say